Okay, sunbather solar controller. So we've got our sunswitch controller here. Pretty basic, simple functions. We have the up arrow for 3 seconds. That'll give us our roof temp. Currently only 24. The pool is 12. So we actually have a double temperature gain. It will heat the pool, absolutely off 12 degrees in the middle of winter though, so we can't expect great temps. Currently on manual, which is an alert flash manual. We actually never want to run it on manual unless we're servicing. Auto is slow pulse because we have a 6-degree differential from the roof and the pool temp. Again, the roof is 24. It will default back to the pool temp. Set temp, up and down. We'll push it to 32 as we're not going to reach 32 for probably a good sort of 6 to 8 weeks. As and when spring or great weather turns up. Solar pump's plugged into the solar controller. Solar controller is plugged into full power. Ideally, if we can get this covered, even if we have a plastic bag over that. We have 2 valves. We've got our return valve, which is partially closed. It'll always stay there. This is our non-return to hold the prime in the solar pump. So that is currently open, and that will close when the pump turns off. Then we have our 2 solar pump, and then our 2 roof. This will hold the water up to the roof, and again, the non-return over here, glass window, will hold the prime in the pump. At the end of the season, simply hold the up and down arrow for 10 seconds. That will bring a W up on the screen. That means it's winter mode. What happens in winter mode, the time you set it, it's 12 p.m. midday. So 12 p.m. every day, the solar will turn on for 10 minutes throughout winter. We want to do that either in the middle of the day or the back end of the day, but don't do it in the middle. It's an anti-freeze mechanism. It won't freeze in Hamilton, but you never know what will happen in the weather. And to get out of winter, simply push on off again. Hit the auto. That'll just reset us. We have our sensor in the pool line and then one on the roof. Any questions, just give me a call. Justin at sunbather.co.nz or 021 0233 2600.